初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the museum entrance?
Where is the museum entrance?
博物馆入口在哪里？
Where is the museum entrance?
Where is the museum entrance?
How much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
门票多少钱？
How much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
Do you have student discounts?
Do you have student discounts?
有学生折扣吗？
Do you have student discounts?
Do you have student discounts?
What are the opening hours?
What are the opening hours?
开放时间是几点到几点？
What are the opening hours?
What are the opening hours?
Is the museum open on Monday?
Is the museum open on Monday?
博物馆周一开放吗？
Is the museum open on Monday?
Is the museum open on Monday?
Can I have a museum map?
Can I have a museum map?
可以给我一张博物馆地图吗？
Can I have a museum map?
Can I have a museum map?
Where is the information desk?
Where is the information desk?
咨询台在哪里？
Where is the information desk?
Where is the information desk?
Where is the history section?
Where is the history section?
历史展区在哪里？
Where is the history section?
Where is the history section?
Where is the art gallery?
Where is the art gallery?
艺术画廊在哪里？
Where is the art gallery?
Where is the art gallery?
Where can I see the dinosaur fossils?
Where can I see the dinosaur fossils?
在哪里可以看到恐龙化石？
Where can I see the dinosaur fossils?
Where can I see the dinosaur fossils?
Is there an exhibition today?
Is there an exhibition today?
今天有展览吗？
Is there an exhibition today?
Is there an exhibition today?
What time does the show start?
What time does the show start?
表演什么时候开始？
What time does the show start?
What time does the show start?
Where is the science section?
Where is the science section?
科学展区在哪里？
Where is the science section?
Where is the science section?
Where is the children's area?
Where is the children's area?
儿童区在哪里？
Where is the children's area?
Where is the children's area?
Can I take pictures here?
Can I take pictures here?
这里可以拍照吗？
Can I take pictures here?
Can I take pictures here?
Is flash photography allowed?
Is flash photography allowed?
允许使用闪光灯吗？
Is flash photography allowed?
Is flash photography allowed?
Do you have an audio guide?
Do you have an audio guide?
有语音导览吗？
Do you have an audio guide?
Do you have an audio guide?
Can I rent a guide device?
Can I rent a guide device?
可以租借导览设备吗？
Can I rent a guide device?
Can I rent a guide device?
Are there guided tours?
Are there guided tours?
有导游讲解吗？
Are there guided tours?
Are there guided tours?
How long is the tour?
How long is the tour?
游览需要多长时间？
How long is the tour?
How long is the tour?
Where is the souvenir shop?
Where is the souvenir shop?
纪念品商店在哪里？
Where is the souvenir shop?
Where is the souvenir shop?
Do you sell postcards?
Do you sell postcards?
卖明信片吗？
Do you sell postcards?
Do you sell postcards?
Can I buy books here?
Can I buy books here?
这里可以买书吗？
Can I buy books here?
Can I buy books here?
Where is the cafe?
Where is the cafe?
咖啡馆在哪里？
Where is the cafe?
Where is the cafe?
Do you sell drinks inside?
Do you sell drinks inside?
里面有卖饮料吗？
Do you sell drinks inside?
Do you sell drinks inside?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Are there lockers for bags?
Are there lockers for bags?
有存包柜吗？
Are there lockers for bags?
Are there lockers for bags?
Can I store my backpack here?
Can I store my backpack here?
可以在这里存放背包吗？
Can I store my backpack here?
Can I store my backpack here?
Please do not touch the exhibits.
Please do not touch the exhibits.
请勿触摸展品。
Please do not touch the exhibits.
Please do not touch the exhibits.
Please keep your voice down.
Please keep your voice down.
请保持安静。
Please keep your voice down.
Please keep your voice down.
This painting is very beautiful.
This painting is very beautiful.
这幅画非常漂亮。
This painting is very beautiful.
This painting is very beautiful.
The sculpture looks amazing.
The sculpture looks amazing.
这个雕塑看起来很惊人。
The sculpture looks amazing.
The sculpture looks amazing.
Look at the ancient coins.
Look at the ancient coins.
看这些古钱币。
Look at the ancient coins.
Look at the ancient coins.
The fossil is so big.
The fossil is so big.
这个画是真大。
The fossil is so big.
The fossil is so big.
I learned a lot today.
I learned a lot today.
我今天学到了很多。
I learned a lot today.
I learned a lot today.
The museum is very interesting.
The museum is very interesting.
这个博物馆非常有趣。
The museum is very interesting.
The museum is very interesting.
Let's take a picture outside.
Let's take a picture outside.
我们在外面拍张照吧。
Let's take a picture outside.
Let's take a picture outside.
I want to visit again.
I want to visit again.
我想再来参观。
I want to visit again.
I want to visit again.
Thank you for the information.
Thank you for the information.
谢谢您提供的信息。
Thank you for the information.
Thank you for the information.
I enjoyed the museum visit.
I enjoyed the museum visit.
我很享受这次博物馆参观。
I enjoyed the museum visit.
I enjoyed the museum visit.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。